Morning, beautiful people. It's June 17th, and I'm just looking off in the horizon, and look at that beautiful light strip below the clouds and above the ridge. Well, I have a verse today. I haven't really been sharing the Bible other than in the description. But 2 Peter 1:4 says, "By which we have been given precious or exceedingly great and precious promises, that through these you may be partakers of the divine nature, having escaped the corruption that is in the world through lust." So God has given us exceedingly great and precious promises, and that through these we might be partakers of the divine nature. So this morning, beloved, you have the divine nature. What are you going to do with that divine nature? Look at this divine nature. We'd love to have you come and reconnect with your soul, to love God with all of your soul. Just listen. Immersed in God's creation. The sun isn't shining outside, but we know Jesus is the light of the world. He is always shining. In fact, He's shining in our hearts, and He's leading the way. So I pray this morning that you would richly enjoy the Lord Jesus today. God bless you.